Dun dun dun. All right. The question is points. What do we do when it comes to points, and what is a point policy? A point policy is actually written and meant to be used, and it's intended to be there for emergency purposes. It is identical to having a credit card. Okay. What that means is that you have an allotted amount of points, and typically, if you max out your card, it's bad. If you go over maximum on your card, it's very bad. You might lose your card privileges. So for us, maxing out your points and then going over does result in separation from the employer. Now, the points are meant to be used in an emergency. This part of the training is not what are points, but rather how to avoid getting points. And the way that we avoid getting points is make sure that the points are used only for emergencies. And the way that we clear our points is by bringing in a doctor's note for any emergency doctor's visits. Now, doctor's appointments are not cleared from points. Doctor's appointments are something that we ask that you please schedule those outside of business hours, unless it's an emergency appointment or something that's necessary, such as I'm currently sick and I need to see a doctor. A doctor's note will clear your points. An emergency auto repair will clear your points. Family matters. If you have any type of documentation, we're really cool with it. We will clear your points. Please just fill us in. We want to make sure that we have a mutual respect for one another. Our students depend on your face showing up to work every day. And when they are expecting you on a Monday and they're excited to see you, and then your substitute coach fills in, it sets us up for failure, where your student starts to really engage in a lot of anxiety. So if you're going to be gone, make sure that you give us the heads up so that we can fill in your student on who's going to be replacing you. You're very valued in this company, and we just ask that we just have the mutual agreement where if you're going to be missing, that we clear your points.